Molecular basis of inheritance part 8. In this video, you will know about Human Genome Project. Human Genome Project is an international 13-year effort formally began in October 1990. The project was planned to last 15 years, but rapid technological advances accelerated the completion to 2003. The Department of Energy's Human Genome Program and the National Institutes of Health's National Human Genome Research Institute NHGRI together sponsored the US Human Genome Project. Through a process known as sequencing, the Human Genome Project has identified nearly all the estimated 20,000 to 25,000 genes, the basic units of heredity in the nucleus of a human cell. The project has also mapped the location of these genes on the 23 pairs of human chromosomes, the structures that contain the genes in the cell's nucleus. Human Genome Project was called a mega project. Human Genome Project was sometimes reported to have cost 3 billion, the complete $3 billion. The completed human genome sequence generated a catalog made up of around 20,000 to 25,000 human genes, high resolution maps of the chromosomes, including hundreds and thousands of landmarks and billions of base pairs of DNA sequence information. Laboratory information management systems, robotics, database management systems, and graphical user interfaces were among the computing tools required to help genome researchers make sense of this flood of data. If we were to write out the entire human DNA sequence, the letters would fill 200 volumes, the size of a 1,000-page phone directory. Now let us look at some of the goals of the Human Genome Project. So the major goal is to identify approximately 20,000 to 25,000 genes in the human DNA. That is, they have identified all the genes. Determine the sequence of the 3 billion chemical base pairs that make up human DNA. Store these information in the databases. And after storing, they need improved tools for data analysis and transfer the related technologies to other sectors such as industries, address the ethical, legal, and social issues that may arise from the projects. The methodologies they followed. The identify the genes that expressed as RNA referred to as expressed sequence tags, simply sequencing the whole set of genome that contained all the coding and non-coding sequence and later assigning different regions in the sequence with functions is called as sequence annotation. The total DNA from a cell is isolated and converted into random fragments of relatively smaller sizes and cloned in suitable hosts using specialized vectors. The cloning resulted into amplification of each piece of DNA fragment. The commonly used vectors are bacterial artificial chromosomes or BAC and yeast artificial chromosomes or YAC. The fragments were sequenced using automated DNA sequencers. Specialized computer-based programs were developed for the alignment of the sequences. The sequences were subsequently annotated and were assigned to each chromosome. The sequence of chromosome 1 was completed only in May 2006. What are the salient features of human genome? The human genome contains 3,164.7 million nucleotide bases. The average gene consists of 3,000 bases, with the largest known human gene being dystrophin at 2.4 million bases. The total number of genes is estimated at 30,000. 9% nucleotide bases are exactly the same in all the people. The functions are unknown for over 50% of discovered genes. Less than 2% of the genome codes for proteins. Repeated sequences make up very large portion of the human genome. Repetitive sequences are stretches of DNA sequences that are repeated many times. Chromosome 1 has the most genes with 2,968 genes and Y, that is the sex chromosome, has the fewest with only 231 genes. Scientists have identified about 1.4 million locations where single base DNA differences, also called as SNPs or SNPs, occur in the humans. Other applications of Human Genome Project. It helps in identification of defective genes and hence offers opportunity for an early treatment. identification of genes that confer a susceptibility to certain diseases and so enable individuals to take preventive measures, prediction of the proteins that the genes produce, giving an opportunity to design appropriate drugs to enhance or inhibit the activities of these proteins, and acquisition of comprehensive high quality human genome sequence will have an unprecedented impact and a long lasting value for basic biology, biomedical research, biotechnology, and healthcare. Challenges. So, obviously, the challenge would be one needs to have the expertise and creativity, and it requires highly sophisticated technologies. And in providing the expertise and sophisticated technologies, the cost incurred would be very high, and so it is highly expensive.